Recently, a lot of sellers have been asking me, should I make repairs before listing my home? Well, the short answer is yes. Hi, everybody. I'm Bob Sokoler, owner of the Sokoler team here at Remax Properties East. Actually, right now, I'm in my home with my two dogs. And I should tell you that while we're still in a seller's market, the truth is that there aren't as many buyers as there were during the peak a few years ago. But the good news is that buyers still looking to purchase a home in this environment are very serious about moving. However, due to high interest rates and home prices, your property needs to be in great condition to stand out. And so that is why today I'm sharing 3 things that you can do to get your home in perfect market condition before selling. First of all, you want to meet with your agent before you list to go over which repairs are really worth it. I just did this with one of my clients a day ago when we went through a list of there really were only a couple of things that she needed to fix. Not every fix is worth your hard-earned money, so invest in repairs that will improve your home's condition and net you a higher return on your investment. Your real estate agent should be able to tell you which ones those are. It also might be worth it to pay for a pre-inspection before you list. This way, you can find exactly what might turn buyers away and fix it before you hit the open market. Most repairs fall into one of 2 categories: cosmetic repairs and maintenance repairs. Now, cosmetic repairs are usually optional and won't be a sticking point in negotiations. That might be a rug that's got a stain in it. However, they can net you a higher return on your investment if you change, say, that rug out. High maintenance repairs take longer and require a larger investment, but they often fix major issues that need to be addressed if you want good offers from buyers. A good strategy likely involves doing some of each work with your realtor to find a balance that fits your needs. The condition of your home is the most important factor you can control when selling because it expands your buyer pool. In today's market, there are fewer buyers due to interest rates and higher home prices. However, you can still attract a lot of demand with a property in good condition. If you do the proper repairs, you'll have more offers coming in from better qualified buyers. Work closely with your agent to create a strong marketing strategy, and you might even create a bidding war and naturally drive up your price. I always recommend that sellers do repairs before listing, but it's more important in this market than ever than it has been before. If you're wondering which repairs are worth doing or want to discuss a pre-listing strategy, just give me a call or send me an email. I'd love to hear from you. You can reach me on my cell phone anytime, day or night, 502-376-5483. That's 376-5483. Or send me an email, bob@WeSellLouisville.com. And remember, I also have a radio show every Sunday morning on 840 WHAS. It starts at 8:30 Sunday morning. It's on until 9 a.m. And all we do is talk about real estate and your questions are answered. Again, you can reach me at 376-5483 to get a question on the air, or you can send me an email, bob@WeSellLouisville.com. I'm Bob Sokoler, owner of the Sokoler team at Remax Properties East. Thanks for watching.